Hey Resinators, I hope you guys are all doing amazing. So I was scrolling through my favorite subreddit, Am I the A-hole? And one of the titles really caught my eye. And the main reason it caught my eye is because of what Reddit's response was. So the question is, am I the a-hole for refusing to pay alimony to my cheating ex-wife? For some reason, Reddit thinks that this person is the a-hole. So I haven't read the story yet, but I gotta know how they end up being the a-hole. So let's find out. I met my wife in my early 30s. She was in her mid-20s at the time. I was already well established and had made a significant amount of money working as a quaint and investing my savings diligently. She, on the other hand, had never gone to college and was content working for basically minimum wage. So when I met her, we clicked instantly and I fell head over heels for her. We get married and move in together, and soon after we have 3 kids. When we were expecting our firstborn, she had told me that she wanted to be a stay-at-home mom. Obviously, I was jealous, but I went along with it since it seemed logical. So she spends the next 20 plus years as a stay-at-home mom taking care of our kids while I work 12 hours a day and then some. I'm not demeaning stay-at-home moms, by the way, but in the context of our marriage, she had an extremely easygoing lifestyle. A couple of years ago, I discovered that she had been cheating on me with her friend's husband. A divorce obviously followed. The only major asset we had in the US was our house, which was a premarital asset. We had a shared bank account, but since I was a finance guy, I handled all of our investments. And for tax reasons, I invested it abroad in my home country. Now, if we had just grown apart or she said that she was unhappy, then I would have no problem paying what was fair. But the fact that she cheated on me is what makes me resent paying her a cent. So during the divorce, she was awarded half of our investments made during marriage, 90% of which were abroad in my name, along with alimony for 20 years for 30% of my pay. So here I'm given the opportunity to get out of this entirely by moving back to my home country and never looking back. So I sell our house back as fast as possible, move the money back abroad, and move back to my home country while stringing her along about why it's taking so long to liquidate our savings. Once abroad, I immediately stop alimony payments. Now she has no legal recourse and I've double checked with lawyers. And now all she's left with is her share of the small amount that we had in the States. The only reason that I'm even asking this is because my daughters are on their mother's side. So am I the a-hole? Oh God, yeah, you're the a-hole. Now I see what Reddit was talking about. I mean, I get not wanting to pay her back any money, and I understand like trying to get whatever you can out of it. But to sell the house and then just go move back to your home country, like really? Way to just completely run away from your issues, man. Not to mention stringing her alone was really messed up. I don't know. Like, I get it. She cheated. She's messed up for that. But like, I just feel like he could have handled it better. So I can't really give a-hole ratings on this one, but you guys let me know what you think. Because a lot of y'all are ruthless and you're not scared to say exactly what you think. So I want to hear it. Okay, guys. So I have a bonus story and I saw the title of this one and I was just like, I gotta know more. So let's see how much of an a-hole this guy really is. It's called, Am I the a-hole for being honest with my wife about her appearance? My wife, 28 female, is 27 weeks pregnant and has quite visible stretch marks on her belly. I understand that they come naturally with pregnancy, but I will admit that they're a huge turnoff for me, and it's a struggle to be attracted to her when I see them. The other day, my wife told me that she thinks that her stretch marks look cute and asked me my opinion. I simply said that cute isn't the word that I would use, but I was glad that she accepted her body. She then asked me what do I mean by that, and that's when I told her that I don't think that they look good, but I do understand that this is what happens with pregnancy, so it's fine. She snapped at me and said, well, we don't have to have sex anymore when I'm pregnant then, and then slammed the door. Am I the a-hole here? I simply gave my honest opinion when my wife asked me, but maybe I should have just told her a white lie instead. Oh my gosh. I mean, after reading this one, like, the wife probably shouldn't have asked. Like, I can understand why let me not be rude. I can understand why somebody would think that it was okay to just be honest when somebody asks their opinion. So yeah, the wife probably shouldn't have asked him and she was kind of baiting him in the first place. That being said, come on, the fact that he even made a post about this on Reddit lets me know that he has some deep-rooted issues. We all know that women's bodies change when they get pregnant, but he could have at least made her feel a little bit better. And then the fact that he posted it on Reddit to look for validation just isn't a good look. One of the Reddit commenters actually summed it up really well to me, and this is what they said. Yeah, you're the a-hole, but not for being honest in this moment. for getting yourself into a situation where honesty would cost this much in the first place. You're the a-hole for choosing to create a child with a woman you don't love that deeply. Because if her appearance changing due to her carrying your future child is enough to turn you off, you were only with her for more shallow reasons in the first place. And I think that this is a pretty good assessment, and I want to know what you guys think about this situation, because this guy, I mean, he just kind of seems like an a-hole, but maybe that's because I'm a mother. I don't know. I might be a little bit biased. So let me know what you guys think. Also, let me know which one of these crystals is your favorite. I made both of these using extra resin, and I am literally obsessed with both. Okay, besties, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, drop some emojis that you never use in the comments. And as usual, thank you so much for being here. I love your faces. I will see you in the next video. Stay kind, stay amazing. Peace.